Trying to animate your image in Meta AI but getting a generation error or a policy message? Don't worry, here's an easy alternative. First, I uploaded my image to Meta AI and tried to generate a video. But it failed with a generation or policy error. Instead of waiting, open Google and search for Kapwing AI image to video. Open the website and wait for it to load. Now upload the same image, then type a good prompt describing how you want the image to move. The better your prompt, the better the animation. Tap Generate and wait a few moments. As you can see, the video was created successfully. If Meta AI isn't working for you, this is a great alternative to try. Follow for more AI tips and troubleshooting videos.